Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix NordicTrack S22i screen not working. If you want to resolve the issue, then you will need to perform a reset for that. First, unplug the machine from the power outlet. Next, locate the pinhole, which will most likely be found on one of the side or the back of your console. If you have difficulty in finding, please consult your owner manual. Insert the paper clip into the pinhole. As you insert the paper clip, press and hold it down. As you hold the paper clip, have the second person turn machine power on. Once your machine screen light up, you may remove the paper clip. So you will need to locate the reset button in your machine, which is mostly located on this side and in this side and on the back of your machine. So find the reset button, the small button, and simply press the reset button with a small paper clip and hold this button until your machine screen light up. When your machine screen light up, you may remove the paper clip from the reset button. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.